Jackey, and I am an actor with Cole's Wild Theater. It is officially spring in Wisconsin, which means the birds are returning.
Oh.
Are you okay?
I'm okay. Oh, that window came out of nowhere.
Oh, I'm sorry, Pluma, but I'm glad you're back in Wisconsin. How was your migration?
Oofda! It was such a long flight, but I'm so happy to be home. Oh, and how'd the Packers do?
Don't ask. Anyway, you're here at just the right time. We were going to talk about how to protect birds from window strikes.
That's such a good idea! The window glass is so clear and smooth. Oh, that birds can get hurt trying to fly on through.
And a great way to protect birds from window strikes is by putting up a bird feeder.
That's right! And bird feeders not only give us food, but they help keep us away from the shiny window.
And you can go the extra mile by making bird feeders out of recyclable material you have at home. Things like milk cartons, juice containers, and soup cans. First, make sure to wash and dry the items you want to craft with. Once your recycled items are clean, ask an adult to help you create holes for the birds to eat from. You can cut another hole at the top and run some string or twine through it to hang your feeder from a tree or stand.
Don't forget to add a perch that I can sit on while I eat.
Once you have everything assembled, you can decorate. Just be careful not to obstruct the perch or openings for birdseed.
When you are all done, it's time to add the bird seed. Different types of seed will attract different birds to your feeder.
Well, Pluma, what do you think?
It's perfect! Good thing too! All that migrating made me pretty hungry. That's some good stuff!
We would love it if you sent us pictures of your own bird feeders. Well, that's all the time we have today. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Bye-bye!